fidget battle, and this is the glow-in-the-dark one.
This one's not. This one we got from 7-Eleven.
This one we got from the gas station. The
that
marathon.
one was free. This one was $7. We were gonna see whose is the fastest and who stopped first. Whoever stops first, it loses. It's gonna be this one or this one.
It's whoever stops last wins. So 3, 2, 1, go. Wait.
There might be a tie.
Yep, so it might be a tie. You never know. See what happens. It might be mine that loses and Josh wins.
Yeah, it might be. Looks like his is stopping.
But his is going slower also, so it might be a tie. Or
yeah,
mine might lose.
His will lose because you can see how...
Let's say I lose and Josh wins.
Because his was going slower and he was going to lose anyway.
So let's say that Josh won and he gets something from my room or not, or gets something from the gas station. Alright, this is how a fidget battle goes. Okay, this is the end of the fidget battle.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.